With rising costs that we all see, economic uncertainty, and market swings becoming, well, the new norm, many retirees are feeling the pressure. And today our guests are going to cover some strategies to help relieve that pressure and help get you back to a more comfortable norm. Joining us are Gary Mattson and Laurel Stewart. They're the father-daughter team from Mattson Financial Services, a firm that's been helping people retire successfully right here in West Michigan for decades. You can also catch them on their popular radio show, Many Mentors. Gary, Laurel, market's been pretty dramatic lately.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome back to the show. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Uncertainty. Nobody wants to feel that, especially when they're retired. How do you take away that stress? I'm sure taxes are part of this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Taxes just equal stress.
There's so much there to really unpack when you think about retirement. You know, what about Medicare? What about income, which means Social Security decisions, pension decisions? There's a lot to unpack. But that's why at Mattson Financial, we're focused on the retirement side of it, and how we relieve that uncertainty and that stress is to actually have an enhanced retirement plan that you see in front of you. So we're going to go over line item by line item to say, you know, tying it back to the goals and the things that we talked about in that first meeting. That's the discovery and a lot of the fun. But then we look at it to say, well, you know, at 65, this is when you're going to end up taking Social Security, and this is what that paycheck looks like. Maybe a few years, your spouse then is going to file for their Social Security check. And what about required minimum distributions? You're going to see those distribution lines in there. So we lay it out item by item, and you can see this. And at the end, I've had conversations with clients, and they've said, that's what we have left? Oh, maybe we should spend more. We love our kids, but maybe we have, you know, can spend more. So
they're going to get enough.
Clarity.
Yeah. That's got to be a good feeling.
Yes.
But I mean, we're talking turbulent times, though. I mean, how do you keep your head straight when you're seeing so much on TV going this way and that?
Yeah. Well, volatility is here to stay. I mean, that's the thing we got to talk about and understand. So for our clients, what we do is we explain to them what's going to happen when these volatile times happen. Okay. Since 2000, again, the last 24 years, approximately a third of the time, the market, stocks and bonds have both gone down, exceeding 10%. So that's a lot of the time that's happening. So for us, we'd explain to the client what we're going to do. When markets are down, we know the fundamental is to buy. When markets are up, we're going to harvest or we're going to sell. And we have a plan to do that. Most advisors, when you see a market down 10, 20, 30%, they're getting calls saying, is my money safe? How much did I lose? What are you doing to protect me? All those type of things. We don't get those calls. We're getting calls. But it's like, what are we buying today? Right. What's Gary planning to do with my money today? They know, because they've been through a couple of those, that it's the opportunity now. And that's what you really need with a good advisor, a fiduciary that will tell you, number one, here's how we're going to handle this. And number two, we're going to do what the basics of investing is: buy low, sell high.
And diversify.
Yeah, absolutely. And making money during retirement, obviously something you can do. But I have to assume the biggest fear, the biggest uncertainty, number one, has to be running out.
Absolutely.
Oh, absolutely.
Running out of money. How do you assuage those fears?
Yeah, and I think going back to the plan and what you're doing, so you're going to say, okay, you come in and you know while you're working, this is the income that you received while working that paid for all your bills. You might not have a budget that you track, but that's essentially it. So when we go into saying we're talking about retirement, we're going to look at your investments, we're going to look at your other income sources to say, do we still have that much money coming in from this? How do we produce that? And if not, maybe there's an opportunity to say, let's do something here from an income replacement to get that personal pension plan. Or we're going to look at the markets and say, you might be invested in the market, but let's do some buffers and some barriers in here to just offset some of that, you know, the loss and that opportunity to lose your hard-earned money.
And then lastly, we show them an income plan, starting when they're in retirement, going through retirement, and at the end, and different things that come up in life. What happens when I turn in 73 or 75 for required minimum distributions? What happens if one of us goes into long-term care? What happens when one of us passes? Who's going to have income left, and what does that look like? Once you give those insurances and that there's a plan going forward for all of that, you can just see the client, they just relax, they know where they're going, and they're kind of like on this cruise, here we go.
I think the feeling might be a feeling of certainty, right? So in these uncertain times, if you're looking for that feeling, they've got it covered. You guys have a phenomenal offer that you're offering our viewers right now.
Yes, so for the first 5 callers, if you've saved $250,000 or more for retirement, You might be approaching retirement or already in retirement. We're happy to give you that second opinion in what we call the Mattson Financial Enhanced Retirement Plan.
I love it. The more you use the term personal pension plan, the more I like it too. So,
right.
I like
You need that
too.
income, that steadiness.
It's a great offer. We're waiting for you right now. First 5 callers. As you heard Laurel say, take advantage of this offer. If you're in or near retirement, this is for you. Gary, Laurel, the rest of the team, they want to sit down with you personally to customize that enhanced retirement plan just for you. A comprehensive plan that includes a look at your investments, your income sources, your taxes, everything you need to help get you to and through that retirement you deserve. So get one of those spots now. 1-800-536-8907. That's 800-536-8907.